How to log out of Google account on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down till you find Accounts. Click on Accounts, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the account you want to log out. After that, you'll find Remove Account option. Click on it, and then click on Remove Account again. After you click on Remove Account, if this does not work, what you can do is go to Google Chrome. Click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile again, which is at the top. After you do that, scroll down and then click on Sign Out. After you click on Sign Out, you're good to go. This is how to log out of Google account on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below.